justice! Down you go! This is the technique of a god! Begone! Taste my blade! You're ended! Taste divine fury! Thunder! You should learn when to quit. You're just a warm-up. Lose? Unthinkable! Begone! Begone! Towards mortals for defiling the universe! Begone! Towards the gods for permitting them to do so! Begone! Anger towards myself for losing to a mere mortal! Don't come crying to me when you get hurt! I'm done playing! Take this! See how you like this? Too slow! Check this out! You need to be stopped! Say goodbye! It's over! I won't lose to someone who believes in nothing but himself! To hell with your justice! I've had my fill of bad futures. Take that! Take that! I'm coming! Take that! It's over! I've got you! See how you like this? I'm through with you! I see you! That's all for now. Thanks, everyone. Goku isn't the only Super Saiyan. There's another one right here. Ah! Finally a challenge. That all? Almost. Sucks to be you! I only need one finger to beat you. Gotcha! You're wide open! This is it! Ha! Yeah! Did I scare you? Ha! Sucks to be you! I'm gonna light you up! Times 100! This is it! Honestly, I thought you'd put up more of a fight. I am neither Goku nor Vegeta. I'm the guy who's going to stop you. Gotcha! You're a real letdown, you know that? Honestly, I thought you'd put up more of a fight. This next one's gonna wipe you off the face of the planet. I got something special for you. You're going straight to hell. You made that easy. A little too much fun. Sucks to be you! You can make this fun for me? Alright, I'm gonna make this real quick. Sucks to be this is where the fight ends!